tired of the back and forth of scheduling meetings? With Calendly, you can streamline your booking process and save valuable time. This powerful tool lets you effortlessly set up appointments that work for everyone involved. Say goodbye to scheduling, shout, and hello to productivity. Let's dive in and unlock the magic of Calendly. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Calendly.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Calendly.com. This is the home page as you can see. So all I have to do right now is just click over sign up with Google, but first let's know what is Calendly. Calendly is an online scheduling tool that makes booking meetings easy and efficient. It allows users to set their availability and share links for others to choose convenient times. With automated reminders, calendar integration, it streamlines the scheduling process. Say goodbye to email, back and forth, and hello to hassle-free planners. So to get started, all I have to do is just come back to the top and you click over sign up with Google, with Microsoft, or you can use the option of sign up with free with email. So we have it free. Let's start discovering the features of the free one. So here we have the pricing. As you can see, we have here 4 packages. The first one you have is for free. The second one is standard, teams, enterprise. The first one is for individuals starting out with basic scheduling. The second one for those with more sophisticated schedule needed. Then the teams one, we have for teams who need advanced features such as reporting, meeting, distribution, and automation. Then we have enterprise for teams who need more security, admins, control, support, and enterprise grade procurement. So the first one we have is absolutely for free. The free features we have here: limited one-on-one meeting, one event type, connect one of your calendars, integrate video conference, and customize your booking page, send confirmation emails, embed scheduling on your site, mobile application, and browser extension as well. Then we have the second one. You have to pay $10, and this is the features as you can see. Then we have here third one, you have to pay $16 per month, and this is the features. Then we have your enterprise, you have to pay $15,000 per year, and this is the feature. You can also talk to sales to more understand about this package. Right now let's just get started in the top right, or you can here come back and you click over sign up with email. We can sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft, and you'll find at the page which is this one. You just enter your email address and you click over sign up. Then you will find at the page which is this one. As you can see, you have just to enter your email address to get started, your full name, then you choose your password. Then here we have the button of continue, and you'll find the other page which is this one. So here we have, before continuing, we need to verify your email address. Please check your inbox for a confirmation link. So here we have, if you do not receive the email, you have just to click over send to get started. All right, so as you can see right now, you have just to verify your box on your Gmail. Then you get started with this platform as you can see. So here we have it. After creating your Calendly account, start by setting up your availability preferences, choosing the days and times you are free for a meeting. Then you have just to create event type, specifying details like duration and location. Share your unique Calendly link with others, allowing them to pick a time that works for both of you. Once a meeting is scheduled, Calendly automatically updates your calendar and sends confirmation emails, making scheduling a breezy. So let's get started. All right, so I'll show you how you can do that. We have here how you can get started. We have firstly get to know Calendly. As you can see here, you have like Calendly make your scheduling a breezy with event types, streamline your workday by automating meeting preparation and follow-ups, integrating with your favorite tools, and much more. You have just to watch this video to more understand, and we have here new user guide as well. Right, then we have also here the perfect scheduling setup. If you click over it, you will find here get started by creating our most common event type, the one who wants to set your event details and connect your preferred video conferencing tool. You have just to watch this video to more understand. And we have here, for example, customize and share your first event type, download Chrome extension as well. You have just to watch this video to more understand. All right, then we have here automate meeting preparation and follow-up. Improve your work routine with automated meeting communications, tool and surface integrations, and a browser extension. We have here send reminders and follow-ups, connected tools you use every day to boost productivity, and also you can watch this video to more understand. And this is for automated meeting preparation and follow-up, and it's already done. Then we have here use Calendly with a team. Learn about the features your organization users will have access to and the settings admins can use to improve scheduling for your organization. You can watch this video to more understand. Here we have firstly you can add templates to start scheduling collaboratively and then streamline scheduling for the team. Alright? The third one, which is manage secure settings for the team as well. And this is how you can get started. Then we have here, for example, this is my link. I will just here select new event type if I want, and here we have the option of invite user, and here we have some event that I already created. I will show you how you can create an event as I said. So for example, you have just to click over event type and you have to create a new event type. For example, select if you want a one-on-one, one host with one invite. We have if you want group, one host with group of invites. We have collective, more than one host with one invite. We have the last one, which is round robin, one rotating host with one invite. For example, let's just select this one, create a one-on-one event type for yourself or on behalf of another user. You have just to choose a host and you click over next, and you'll find another page, which is this one. You have just to select the event name, the color, the duration. Then we have the location, visit zone, phone call, in-person meeting as well. Then we have also here one of meeting, and you will find other page, which is only have here a calendar. You can just select the time that you are available and you get started by clicking over next and you get started. All right. Then we have here meeting pool as well, sorry, and this is the same. You click over next and you get started with this one. And also we have here other options such as event types, meetings, availability, contacts, workflows, integration and application, routine, upgrade plan, analytics, admin center, and help. So Calendly is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline the scheduling process. By automating the booking of a meeting, it saves you time and reduces the hassle of coordinating with others. Whether you are a busy professional or managing multiple appointments, Calendly enhances productivity and ensures you spend less time on logistics and more time on what truly matters. Give it a try and experience the ease of effortless scheduling. So this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible, and you'll find these pages you can see just to follow the steps to get started with Calendly and watch this video until the end to more understand. And also you can use here this platform and you read this information to more understand. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.